let's look at how thermal energy moves in a predictable pattern until the substances reach equilibrium. So let's first look at an ice cube with an approximate temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. The particles in that ice cube have very little motion. Let's look at our next example, which is fire, with a much higher temperature, and so the particle motion is going to be different. With the higher temperature, the kinetic energy of those particles is a lot faster when you compare it to the ice cube. So let's look at two objects with different temperatures. When those objects are in contact, the thermal energy will transfer until it reaches equilibrium. So looking at block B has the higher temperature when compared to block A. And looking at the particle motion in both blocks, the particle motion is slower in 15 degrees Celsius. When you compare it to the 50 degrees Celsius, the particles move a lot faster. This thermal energy will transfer between the blocks until the temperature on both sides of the blocks is equal. And once that happens, the block will have reached equilibrium.